Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Mangla from Skin Mantra. Today I'll be discussing about the most popular yet very scary topic, and that is the Botox. I don't know why people are so scared about getting the Botox done. The moment we start talking about the Botox, the first reaction is, no doctor, we don't want to go in for Botox, and please advise us something else with which we can erase our wrinkles. So in this video, I'll try my best to clear all the misconceptions that you have about the Botox. I'll also be demonstrating the procedure, so kindly watch the video till the end. Starting with, what is Botox? Botox is a natural purified protein that relaxes the wrinkle causing the muscles to create a smooth, rejuvenated and youthful appearance which lasts for up to 4 to 6 months. Now, what are the indications of Botox? Other than the cosmetic indications, Botox is mainly, it has been used over a period of years to treat migraine, eye paralysis and to reduce sweating in the underarms, palms and soles. Now coming to the cosmetic indications of Botox, it is mainly used to treat wrinkles on the face, mainly the frown lines. These are the lines that form in between the brows when we are angry, the forehead lines which form on the forehead when we raise our eyebrows, and the crow's feet, the lines that form around the eyes when we smile. Other than this, it is also used to treat wrinkles around the mouth and to improve the cobblestone appearance of the chin, which is called the poplin chin. Nowadays, lot of people are approaching to change the shape of their face. Some people, they have a square face. So when Botox is injected in the hyperactive masseter muscle, it relaxes the muscle and this leads to an oval shape, which is really appealing. Now how does Botox work? There are two types of wrinkles, the superficial wrinkles and the deep wrinkles. Superficial wrinkles, they are present at the skin surface, and deep wrinkles, they form when we use the muscles of the facial expression. So Botox is injected in these muscles, which leads to improvement in the wrinkles and also prevents the further development of the wrinkles. How we do the procedure? Botox is a non-surgical treatment whereby the product is first diluted in the saline solution and minute portion of it is injected in the respective muscles using the very fine needle. The procedure hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes and patients are really comfortable throughout the procedure, and they can resume their normal activities immediately after the procedure. Now let me demonstrate the procedure first and then we'll discuss further.
Here I am injecting within the procerus and the corrugator muscles. Normally we inject at 5 points for the frown lines. Using Botox for the frown lines is a great way to reduce the look of the tension or anger. By simply reducing the frown lines between the eyebrows, many feel as though they look more refreshed and approachable in their workplace or the social life. Injecting in these lines also gives a brow lift. Botox injections are done at 6 to 8 points to smoothen the horizontal lines on the forehead. The injections work to relax the muscles that cause these wrinkles to form. Here, I am injecting in the frontalis muscle at different points. The injections here are superficial and care has to be taken not to give very high dosage as it can lead to the frozen forehead. This is the most common of all the indications. When using for the crow's feet, the injections relax the muscles surrounding the eye corners, so your skin looks smooth out. The effects may be especially noticeable when you laugh. Generally, it's a 3 to 4 point technique and I am injecting in the orbicularis.
Okay, so the most frequently asked questions by the patients. At what age should we start the Botox? See, US FDA says at the age of 18 years, but in our clinical practice, we generally start it after the age of 30 or 35 years if required. Second, is it safe? Yes, it is absolutely safe. In fact, Botox has been used in over 11 million treatments worldwide. It has been used for the past 20 years in the clinical practice, and it is the most commonly physician administered non-surgical treatment for the past 7 years. The next question that is asked is, will I look older if I leave the Botox? See, if you leave the Botox, then your muscle, they start functioning again and you will come back to the same position from where you started, but you can never ever deteriorate. So in the nutshell, Botox is a very safe procedure provided the product that is being injected is a genuine product, preferably from the Allergan company, which is the parent company. Second, the person who is administering the Botox should be a highly trained professional who knows the dosage requirements, who knows the musculature of the face and the technical skills associated with the Botox. So in the safe hands, it is a very, very safe procedure. And the best part is the effect lasts only for 4 to 6 months. So even if you are not very happy, or for any reasons if you want to quit the Botox, you can always quit it, because it is not a habit forming procedure, and secondly there are no long term side effects associated with the Botox. So I hope the video will be useful to you, and in case of any queries you can always mail us, or you can put in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you so much.